In a galaxy where despair grips every corner, where tyranny casts its dark shadow over the most vibrant of civilizations, hope seems like a distant memory. But what if this wasn't the end of the story? What if one extraordinary being could ignite a spark that would ripple across the universe, restoring not just hope, but an entirely new way of life? This is the galactic adventures of Commander Jesus, and today, his newest mission defies all odds. The tale begins on the distant planet of Arcostera, a once thriving world now imprisoned by the oppressive control of the Galactic Dominion. From the buzzing trade hubs to the serene crystalline forests, every inch is monitored, every voice is silenced. A rebel transmission from this planet catches the attention of Commander Jesus. Words scattered through the cosmos. "Help us bring back the light. We believe." Commander Jesus, clad in his futuristic blue and gold armor and filled with equal measures of compassion and unyielding determination, assembles his crew. Zara, the fierce warrior who wields the grace of a tactician and the ferocity of a comet, steps up. Beside her stands Lux, a tech mastermind who doesn't just design gadgets, but crafts miracles of science. And then there's Elysia, a diplomat whose words are as powerful as any starship's arsenal, constantly seeking understanding across divided races. Together, they prepare for an unparalleled mission. The Galactic Dominion's stronghold on Arcostera is unlike any Commander Jesus has faced before. Hidden deep within an impenetrable fortress, powered by an enigmatic energy source, the mission isn't just to liberate a planet. It's to reveal what lies at the heart of the oppressive Dominion's lifeline, an artifact known as the Shard of Despair, whose mere existence is a drain on life, creativity, and freedom for entire planetary grids. As their starship, the Morning Star, glides into orbit, the crew begins conducting reconnaissance. Lux's array of ultra-advanced tech tools uncovers a shocking revelation. The Shard isn't just a weapon of suppression. It appears to feed off negative emotions, amplifying fear and distrust among the inhabitants. The Shard's energy isn't merely about control. It's about eliminating any capacity for resistance, turning one civilization after another into lifeless automation. Commander Jesus knows the stakes. He gathers his team for a moment of solidarity. "If we destroy their weapon, we destroy their power," he declares, his voice confident, yet carrying the weight of the potential sacrifices ahead. Zara nods firmly. Elysia, ever calm, replies, "Not just destroy tyranny, restore connection, hope, life." But the path to the Shard's chamber proves treacherous. On their descent to Arcostera's surface, atmospheric disruption forces them to crash land far from the planned coordinates. Jesus and his crew ready themselves for a planet crawling with Dominion patrols, augmented drones, and an elaborate surveillance network unlike any they've seen. It's here on the subdued surface of Arcostera that Commander Jesus performs the first miracle of the mission. A massive stray electromagnetic pulse short-circuits their essential systems. Only Jesus, with his mysterious ability to channel pure energy from his inner core, restores their communications and shields. "The architect has trusted us with purpose," he tells his team. "We will not falter." As night falls, the team seeks refuge near what once might have been a bustling bazaar. Despite the ruins, glimmers of the past shine through, mosaics of suns, moons, and celestial maps etched into decaying walls. Elysia uses her diplomatic skills to connect with surviving pockets of the resistance, who share details about the Dominion's stronghold. Zara, meanwhile, trains the rebels, turning frightened farmers and broken mechanics into a coordinated defense force. "If fear fuels their shard, then courage will extinguish it," she states firmly. The infiltration of the Dominion's stronghold begins. Lux hacks into the Dominion's advanced protective barriers, but not without setting off an alert. As waves of armed enforcers flood toward them, Jesus steps forward. With every word, every gesture, he redirects their aggression into disbelief, their hatred into hesitation. "You were not born for this," his voice booms, radiating empathy and strength alike. Many drop their weapons, realizing the emptiness of their cause. Inside the fortress, the Shard of Despair casts an eerie, pulsating glow. It's larger than they imagined, suspended mid-air and surrounded by intricate conduits, sucking energy from planets and transmitting despair. Lux races against time to disable the intricate systems that protect it, while Zara and Elysia fend off reinforcements. At the pivotal moment, the pulsating sphere emits a powerful wave, freezing Jesus and his crew in place. Dominion forces seize their chance and capture them. Trapped in containment cells, the crew's resolve is tested like never before. The Shard begins to infiltrate their minds, projecting illusions of failure and betrayal. But Jesus, even in the darkness, radiates light. To his team, he says, "There's no need to fight the illusion. Remember who you are. Remember your purpose." He reaches deep within himself, channeling an extraordinary force of healing. Across their minds and hearts, he places the memory of victories, unity, and unshakable determination. The illusions shatter. They rise again stronger. In a final act of near superhuman effort, Jesus escapes his cell, breaks into the Shard's chamber, and faces the artifact alone. The Dominion army closes in as Lux, Zara, and Elysia fend them off. Commands echo through chaotic corridors. "Seize him!" But undeterred, Jesus raises his hands and summons all the energy of the cosmos he represents. With a blinding flash of radiant light, he overpowers the Shard, turning its dark energy into a stunning explosion of warmth and vitality. When the light subsides, silence falls across Arcastera. The Shard is gone, its energy disbanded into the galaxy as a wave of hope. The oppressive Dominion grip disintegrates, leaving their forces scatter like dust in the wind. The people of Arcastera step forward, reborn in their freedom. "It wasn't just the Shard we destroyed," Jesus tells them. "It's the despair that had claimed your hearts. Now is the time to rebuild. A galaxy where light triumphs not just over darkness, but transforms it." The episode closes with the morning star lifting off from Arcastera, its trails of stardust sparkling brighter than ever. Jesus and his team, though victorious, know the journey is far from over. Somewhere out there, other civilizations cry out for liberation, for unity. And as long as there's darkness to confront, Commander Jesus will be their light.